My person deserves salary, my lord.
Deserve minimum of the salary.
Minimum of the salary. Whatever, my lord.
You are not, what, you were working as a principal. What is the minimum of salary? So what is was not given approval, then how was he working?
Concurrence was there, my lord. He was working.
What do you mean by justice? Justice means that it should be allowed. His petition
No,
should have
no,
been
my lord.
allowed
No,
earlier?
my lord. The
Are you saying that the earlier judgment was not a
No, no, my lord. No,
You have challenged-
that I can't say, my
With
lord.
that
That has been settled, my lord. I have made a statement.
You have been
That has been settled.
not allowed, entitled to be appointed even as a lecturer in English. That is what it has been held, and you have withheld that judgment from this court.
1 week adjournment, my lord. I can bring all the orders before
You
your
will
lordship.
initiate action against your client for filing a false affidavit, trying to mislead the court.
My lord, the petitioner, he got appointment on the post of principal in charge in the college, my lord. And thereafter, the appointment was concurred by the Bihar College Service Commission, White Annexure 6, my lord. But the university did not grant the approval, my lord. And consequent to that, my lord, the petitioner has now retired and he served without any salary, my lord.
So what was not given approval, then how was he working?
Concurrence was there, my lord. He was working. My lord's works has been extracted from him. He has worked, my lord. And in 97, my lord, it has come, my lord, that in 97, one another person got approval by the university. So there is no dispute that from 87 to 89 to 97, he has worked on the post of principal in charge, my lord. And thereafter, he was asked to make attendance on the separate seat, my lord. But he was an English teacher, my lord, and he was a Sahityachari. He has imparted education, he has taken classes, he has worked, my lord. So I am, my lord, relying upon the judgment of the LPA court, my lord, in Ratikant Mishra case. And that this order has been passed in LPA, my lord. And it has been held, my lord. Reliance has been given on the Jagjit Singh case, state of Punjab. Reliance has been, if work has been extracted, then a person deserves salary, my lord.
Deserve minimum of the salary.
Minimum of the salary. Whatever, my lord.
You are not, what, you were working as a principal. What is the minimum of salary?
I was engaged as principal, my
You were
lord.
only holding charge of the principal. You were not principal. And you were getting salary of your teacher. That you have got.
No, my lord.
Where do you say so?
I did not get salary of teacher.
See, in para 19, you are asking for the post of salary of principal.
No additional salary for principal, my lord. The principal in charge, the salary meant for the lecture that is given to the principal in charge, my lord. My service was duly concurred by the College Service Commission. Annexure 6, my lord. I have enclosed the Annexure 6. There was rivalry between one another party, my lord, and on the post of Sahityachari, my lord. The petitioner, my lord, he was claiming the post of Sahityachari initially, my lord. And one Khelanath Jha, my lord, he ultimately, my lord, by this honorable court succeeded.
Then?
Thereafter, my lord, but the petitioner continued working, my lord. He was also having degree in English. He was imparting education in English, my lord. He was given governing body, my lord. He has governing body decided to, unanimous decision, my lord, of the governing body, and decided to appoint this petitioner as the principal in charge. Prior to that, he was working in a degree college, my lord, in Jharia. And on the basis of experience, my lord, he was offered the post of principal in the said college. Prior to that, my lord, he was engaged as a lecturer in English.
So,
My submission, my lord, this petitioner, he has served the college, and
when, from what date to what date?
my lord, from 7/7/87, he was initially engaged, paragraph 15, my lord, I have stated. On 7/7/87, he was engaged as lecturer in English, my lord. And I have got instruction, my lord, now that on 25.
Did you challenge this order anywhere further? This order passed in CWJC 9101/96, which you have not placed.
That's it, my lord, that's it.
So what, you want a separate finding in this case, in this petition?
My lord,
Despite
that
there being a finding given against you
in light
in a
of,
writ petition passed by this court, order passed by this court,
my lord,
where you filed a review which was rejected, you have again filed a petition.
I have filed, my lord,
And you
approval.
don't
If
place
I got
judgment-
approval, my lord,
You
if
don't place that judgment on record.
I have made a statement, my lord, and I have
So you want another judgment from this court without looking into that judgment passed.
here, my lord, I have come for the approval on the post of principal while he was working. Now he has retired, my lord. This writ application filed in 2015, my lord, and after that he has got retirement, my lord.
Anything
So
else?
I had prayed for the approval on the post of principal, my lord. The consequent effect, my lord, if my service will be regularized, my lord, then I will be entitled for payment of the salary. My lord, I am relying on judgment, my lord. If my lord please to look into. Work from me I have taken, my lord. I have, then college has taken work from me. I have served, my lord. So at least, my lord, the minimum salary meant for the lecturer, my lord, that should petitioner deserve, my lord.
This order of the Chancellor dated 29th August 96, that has been quashed.
That was placed. I have stated.
That has been quashed.
My lord, I have stated that.
And you have placed that document on record as annexure to rely upon.
I have made a statement, my lord. That was quashed finally. 2 times, my lord, 2 orders from the Honorable Chancellor. Initially, it was remitted to before the Honorable Chancellor, and Honorable Chancellor passed order in favor of me, my lord.
Mr. Council, take a call, otherwise we will pass an order.
Well, I have simple case, my lord, that if
Well, it is very simple, that we can see.
my lords may, I pray to
Why did you not
remit
place
this
that,
case
why
before
did you not place the High Court's order on record?
I have placed the High Court order 1117992, my lord. I can place, my lord, entire orders, all the orders, my lord. There is a history of
Now we will not.
legal.
Now we will not allow you.
I have placed, my lord, at page 30, one order, my lord. It starts from page 29, my lord. Oh, this is another matter, my lord, in 92.
How could you file a petition once the High Court has already rejected your claim? Again, you are filing a petition for the same claim and on the basis higher claim also.
My lord, my submission, my lord, is that his service may get approval from the university because College Service Commission has granted concurrence to his appointment, my lord. Further, it was extended by 6A. So this is the very peculiar circumstance, my lord. The petitioner was having with the concurrence from the College Service Commission, but my lord, no approval from the university. This is the fact, my lord. Actually, in REIT application, I have not made prayer, my lord, for payment of. I have not. I have just come for the direction for approval. But the consequent effect, as I think, my lord, the consequent effect would be the.
The consequent effect would be that we will impose a very heavy cost on you. In clear terms, I am telling you.
Simply, my lord.
He has retired, na?
Now he has retired, my lord.
Oh.
But after that order, he was allowed to work. The governing body allowed to work him as a principal in charge, my lord.
He has no other work to do. Busybody, all right.
Well, he was prior to that. He was working in another college. He was.
Take care of such people, all right. Filing of petition, frivolous petitions in the High Court.
My lord, may I request, my lord? The university, if university, my lord, petitioner is a educationist person, my lord. He has written, my lord, a book which is.
Now you write another book.
My lord.
Please hear.
Presently, my lord, he has doing
this.
Presently, he is translating the Yajur Veda in local language, Maithili, my lord. And that is in the way of publication, my lord. He is a really educationist person, my lord. He is a learned person. And that's why, my lord, he could not get justice, my lord.
That's why
he could not compete with the politics in the college.
He has appeared in the court. What do you mean by justice? Justice means that it should be allowed? His petition should be allowed?
No, my lord.
Are you saying that the earlier judgment was not a judgment?
No, my lord. That I can't say, my lord. That has been settled, my lord. I have made a statement. That has been settled.
Not allowed, entitled to be appointed even as a lecturer in English. That is what it has been held. And you have withheld that judgment from this court.
The judgment was on the post of Sahityacharya, my lord. And what happens, my lord? Thereafter, his degree, Sahitya.
The council, either you bring that judgment before us or show from your, if you have it in your file.
My lord, 1 week adjournment, my lord, I can bring all the orders before you.
You will initiate action against your client for filing a false affidavit, trying to mislead the court.
My lord, averment I have made, my lord. But that order I have not closed, my lord. But however, I have made.
You have enforced an order which stands already quashed, and you are relying upon that order.
No, that order that is with regard to the permission of petitioner in the selection process, my lord.
You expect the judge to read each and every page of your file?
My lord, that order.
So this is a very convenient way.
That, my lord, I'm sorry, my lord, I could not convey your lordship.
You did not say, you did not mention this till the court asked you. This is not the way of practice, mister.
I think, my lord, that I have come for the approval, my lord.
Don't take cases personally and come to the court like this.
The prayer has been made only for the approval, my lord.
The petitioner.
My lord, I may submit, my lord. I may file my lord.
I will not give you any indulgence now. The petitioner admittedly was held by this court in CWJC 9101/96 to be not entitled to hold the post of lecturer in subject of English. By judgment dated 8/12/1997, the order of the Chancellor dated 29/8/1996, directing for payment of salary to the petitioner and treating him as lecturer of English, in granting him seniority, etc., was set aside by this court. However, the petitioner has come before this court again. Even the new petition filed by him stood rejected. However, the petitioner has not come again before this court, seeking a direction for granting approval on his appointment on the post of principal in the college. It is stated by him that he was holding the post of lecturer of English, and thereafter he was appointed on the post of principal in the said college. Which is a higher post. This writ petition is found to have been drafted in a manner so that the correct facts mentioned in between the lines are not revealed. Copies of the order passed by the High Court have not been placed on record, while the order, which stood already quashed by the High Court, has been placed on record in support of the averments made for seeking approval / confirmation on the post of principal, when the petitioner's appointment on the post of lecturer itself has been set aside. No occasion for the petitioner to be appointed as principal arises. Attempts made by the petitioner for misleading the court, are deprecated. Writ petition is dismissed with cost of rupees 50,000, deposited with the Legal Services Authority, and to be recovered from the petitioner as arrears of land revenue.
May I say, my lord? Next page. Which next, my lords have. My lord, this order has not been quashed, my lord.
Enough.
My lord, this is not related to the appointment of petitioner on the post of
next case.
English
Item
lecturer.
35. Item 35.
My lords,
Mohammed
my
Imtiaz
submission,
We
my
have
lord.
received enough assistance from you, Mr. Counsel.
My lords, one fact I have not been communicated, my lord.
Yes.
Properly, my lord. Annexure right, which my lords have given finding on annexure right.
Thank you.
That is with relate to the permission for participation in the interview, my lord. And that has not been quashed, my lord. That order has not been quashed. I have not annexed any order, my lord. I am sorry. I have not annexed any order, my lord, relating to the rivalry in for appointment on the post of lecturer, my lord.
Order has been passed. You have all the remedies available under the sky.